Hello everyone, it is May 12th. Happy Mother's Day. We are here, familiar spot as always, Durango, right by the sunlight, right by the entrance, trying to make some magic happen on Mo Mummy. Actual Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day everybody. Start with $5 bet, okay? So we're trying our best to have some epic revenge on Mo Mummy. This machine owes us. Oh yeah, that one. Pop right away. Nope, not yet. Okay, we'd love to get one of those rumble features just right across the screen to start. No such luck as of yet. These progressives are pretty huge. The Grand, the Major, Maxi is pretty decent. Okay, $5 spins didn't work. So here we are. Let's do some $3 bets. Oh. It's a growing. We would love to make an epic comeback and a great video today. Come on, keep going. We need some line hits to help sustain our success today. That is the goal. We've had a lot of inconsistent wins. We have some videos up of like Caesar's Palace when we did pretty good. Oh yeah, that's the one. What? Why does he come out when he comes out when that huge number comes? $45. Save that for a little mummy feature, please. Keep her going, keep her going. Okay. Okay. So I hope you're all doing good today. Mother's Day weekend. Hope you're all taking care of your moms, your wifeys. Wifey is here with me. She's on a, oh my god, dude. I wish this was like, what's that machine? Huff and More Puff 3 gets the feature. But I hope you all are taking care of your loved ones. Wifey is somewhere out there in the jungle. She's playing like Firelink or whatever it is. I need to go do that while you do this. Yes, I understand. You do you, boo. Trying to bring some more fun. Like I said, we're not only a Mo Mummy channel, but like I said, we're on a quest to do this. Bam. We're on a quest to hit a jackpot, and it would be nice to get one today. You know, we could use it. We can use it. We've had a few $1,000s of losses on Mo Mummy. That's the reality. Wifey just came. Oh, what was it? Oh.
Like, you can spend 20 free, but then you get a small grid. And then you get a grid, but you only get 3 spins.
What game was it? Oh, that one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure it was hard. I'm curious what the feature was like. This, if you're not curious, this is about par for the course, but we can hit something good, right? Pop it. So here's the progressives. And yes. We had so many big, we had like a minor, mini, and like all the gems, they fell, and then, yeah, it was at a $60 minor, I think, or like whatever it was, but. Close, but no cigar. Okay. Let's quit messing around, Mo Mummy. It's Mother's Day. It's time for something. This is our favorite machine, kind of. This is one of our most epic wins and videos, and it was just like so much fun to have that session. But we're trying our best. Trying to show y'all what can happen with a big sample size. Oh, she does, but Mommy doesn't like me, but Mommy, is this Mommy Mummy? She likes me. There's like something up there, please, come on now. Okay, magic now. I just want to get that rumble. Oh, okay, come on, do it. One of you. At least cash collect is growing. That means it could pop soon, right? I don't know. Perceivably, it could pop soon. Someone in the comments said do 750 bets, which I should have started on. 750 is, you know, when you're max betting on the smaller denominations, you know, good things can happen. Last 20. Okay, that's a great one to pop on. We haven't gotten one of those for so long. It's like a natural pop. Free games. They're showing some good numbers. Do it, do it. We just want to see it light up. Not yet. Not yet. Keep showing free games. Has it been long enough without a bonus? I think so. None as of yet. Okay. Winners never quit and quitters never win. The wifey's laughing in the back, but I think something good can come of this. Okay, okay. We need your help here, Mr. Mummy. We need one of those. He's coming out on the screen right now. Okay, we've reloaded. He sees our dedication. You see our dedication? It's Mother's Day. 375. Okay. Oh my goodness, he was right up there. Okay. Keep seeing him show up over there, but counting all our money keeps taken from us. Nope. We're staying patient here. But patience is a virtue, but we have so much. You know what? We haven't done 75 cents the bets for a long time. Let's just go to these baby little bets, see if it does anything. Let's see if the machine just reacts to tiny bets after, or the smallest bet size after. I bet we'll get a bonus on 75 cents, and it'll be like all your $5 bets, all your $6 bets, all your whatever bets. Here you go. You can get some huge numbers, like that one session we had at Caesar's Palace. We got a like 200x bet when we got a really small cash collect thing to start. We had like a $3 cash collect, but we got some huge numbers inside of it. You do now. Can't say I didn't expect that. Oh, 5 of a kind finally. Okay, cash collects. Boom. No boom. Nope. Huh. It is maybe the most volatile game in history. I think so. It may be more than even Huff and Puff. I think this game is more volatile than Huff and Puff. We played enough of it to feel that. Do it now. Roger does it now. At least getting a chance of it is nice. We missed pretty much all of those. Since the Taylor's oldest time, okay. Pop it now, please. I can wait. Yeah, put your cool hat on. Let's put in wifey's lucky 45 cents. Get us half a spin on this. Okay. Do it. He's up there, of course. Triple potential, zero result. It's like that. Sometimes. Alright, let's switch it. Min bet on 2 cents. Just see if it does anything. Come on, Mr. Mummy, it's Mother's Day. For all the mommies out there. For all the mommies out there, Mr. Mummy. We need something. We need something here. Some kind of recovery would be great. I hear a wolf howling. No, yeah, just, yeah, oh no, yeah, right up there would have been. Not yet. One rumble feature would be nice. Now? He just did a back. One of you pop. Minor would have been a good start. $60 gem to start this. To no avail. He's up there every time. And he was there for like another, he was there again right now. So that one didn't show up either, so. Oh, do it. Do it. How awesome would it be to fast spin into a bonus right there? Come on. Do the same thing you did last one. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's a lot of kitties. That's like the biggest win we've had, right? I don't even know. Do you see yourself in the mirror, Mr. Mummy? Do you think this is fair? This is nice? It's one of your oldest friends who's trying to show YouTube how fun you can be and bring more traffic your way. We're trying our hardest to win something here. Yeah. We'd rather have had that than the $12 win. Okay, finally something. Please be cash collect. Green. Last time it faked us out anyway. Okay, don't do anything else. Yes, finally cash collect. Finally we get a cash collect. Because last time it did this, it put he ran across, a cash collect came for like 2 big numbers, and then a jackpot came at the end, and it was the jackpot that popped, and we did not like that. So now we have a chance at something, just to recoup our money. I'm happy with that, you know? Not asking for too much. Mo Mummy, Mommy's Mummy, Mother's Day Mummy, you know what I'm saying, kind of, right? I don't know. Green. Oh yeah, more. Green. Okay. 2 on the first spin is great. Let's keep this same trajectory here. Sunny afternoon in Las Vegas. We need it. Green. Okay, okay. All right, all right. One more. Wifey's yelling in the background. Okay, okay. We can do it. Yes, one more. Inside there. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Let's go to the end. Not the biggest values, but as you can see, we can get some of these ones as a big value later on. So please, let's do that, okay? Some big values over here. Let's get $150. Those big ones. This is 2 cents, by the way. Oh. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Next round. So full screen, hopefully, I don't want to jinx it, with a lot of spins coming now. He knows. This is our lucky moment, even though we've lost a ton of money here. We're trying to win a ton of money back right now. Come on, big values. Okay, okay. Big one. Okay. That's fine. You've done a great job so far. Okay, okay. Let's go now. Big ones. Big, minor, mini. Okay. Okay. Minor, yeah, we need the mama, the major, all M's, all the M's for all the mamas up there, okay? Everyone focus your energy. Mr. Mummy, focus your energy. Come on. Big one. Okay. It gave us so many gems before, but I think it can still do, greatness right now. Okay. More. Something big. Okay. One at a time is totally fine, just like Wifey said, okay? Big ones. Oh, okay, okay, one at a time. One at a time is totally fine with me. I just want to get to the last level, okay? I just want to get to the last level. Let's go. Yes, okay, something big, something big. Something big. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So we'd rather have had bigger values because we already have a full screen. I wish they gave extra spins. That would be really nice. No, they don't. You get one. So they count towards the. Yeah, we have one spin, but hopefully one spin, people. Here we are, Mother's Day, Mo Mummy. Can we get, please, the maxi? I'm not asking for too much, just the maxi, and we'd be super happy. Focus your energy, Wifey. Are you? She's talking to the mummy in the mummy's tone. Okay, let's go. I saw some progressives. Okay. Not huge. I got to the last part. That was fine. I got it. Okay. Pretty fun. All right, all right. $130. Just double, yeah. So that was nice. So let's do 11 backup spins like usual. Yeah, I think so. 1. Let's get some line hits here. 2. Or something else. Okay. 3. 4. Oh. And then no line hit. Number 5. 6. 7. Oh, only diamonds. Lucky number 8. Keep going. Number 9, right? Yeah. Just like the Beatles. Almost. 10. So let's get a chance on the last few spins. I think that's a chance at least. And lucky number 11. Okay, lucky number 12 because we have exactly that much. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have a chance. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But we did good. We got a good rebate from our adventure. Mr. Mummy, just nice to hit a cash collect once in a while. We had fun. Mother's Day weekend. We're gonna go out and grab something to eat maybe and go find some more machines, and some more fun is waiting for us. So thanks for watching, and we hope you tune in next time. See you then.